Okay. Yeah, it's rolling.
Do you want to do a scripted one first, or just?
Well, let's figure out what we're gonna do with our nails first.
Okay, well, I don't know. These are the colors I picked out just because it's March. So I figured we might as well go the more like pastel route.
Okay.
Sheer
Cool.
pastels.
Okay.
Nudish
Do
colors.
this one.
Okay.
So let's see how this looks.
Story, what's wrong? Story, what's wrong? Babe, you can tell me.
I don't know.
Just tell me what's wrong.
No. I should be happy.
You're not happy? Things are going good.
Ever since that dog showed up, my mood has been all over, and it's
What dog?
a dog. It keeps showing up outside our window. It's outside the house all the time.
Story.
And sometimes
Are you taking
it's
your
big,
medication?
and sometimes it's small. And of course, I'm taking my medication. I take it every day, like I'm supposed to, with breakfast.
Are you...
And they'll never let me move out if they think I'm still hallucinating.
So, okay, your parents are okay with you. They know you've been taking your medication. They've already okayed you moving out in a couple of weeks.
I know, but if they know about this, they won't. And then it's not just the dog. There's normal things too. The smoke alarms keep beeping, and my dad has replaced the batteries like 5
It could
times.
be other things.
And I smell smoke all the time, even when I'm asleep. It's like
You smell something when you're
it's
sleeping?
like something's always burning.
Okay.
Just look. It's always there. It's outside. It's
What's
always
outside? The dog?
Yes! Whatever it is, it's always outside
Okay,
the
okay,
window.
I'm gonna go look, okay?
Just
Okay.
Look. Just look.
Okay. I'm at the window. Story, come on.
Look, just
We're gonna look together. Okay, I'm looking outside.
always in those bushes.
There's no dog.
Sometimes it's not there.
Sometimes it's not there.
Just wait. It's gonna come back.
Okay,
It always
story.
comes back,
Story.
and I
Okay, let's think about
smell,
this.
like,
Let's
smoke,
think about
and it
this.
just-
If it's real, if you're really seeing a dog, it's dark outside. What color is the dog?
It's black.
Okay, so it's nighttime. You wouldn't be able to see it.
It's always there.
Story, have you thought of maybe not moving out soon? Maybe you should wait.
No.